Hi there, I'm Molly.
And I'm Jonathan.
And together we're the brother and sister duo behind Cash Out of My Home, your go-to family-owned home buying company right here in the heart of the Southeast.
We started our buying company in 2017, and since then, we've been on a mission to change the way people sell their homes, working to make every step of the process not just an easy and efficient one, but downright helpful.
By working as a family, helping other families, we understand the value of personal connection, and we strive to ensure that every homeowner we work with walks away with a smile. And when we're not buying homes, we honor the roles of being landlords to several properties right here in our local community, having the opportunity to make each neighborhood a better place.
So how can we help you? Over the years, we've had the privilege of helping hundreds of homeowners with foreclosure, probate, divorce, bad tenants, liens, code enforcement, and much more. And we've worked tirelessly to maintain a 98% closing ratio. Whether you're looking to sell your residence, your rental property, a piece of land, or even a multifamily building, we've got you covered. And if you're looking for options, you've also found the right company. If you need to sell quickly for a fair cash offer where we buy your house as is, cover all the closing costs, or if you prefer to finance your house and continue earning income without the headache of being a landlord, we'll make sure to custom tailor our offer to provide you with the best possible outcome, ensuring you can move forward with total peace of mind.
Our home buying process is a hassle-free transaction with every detail handled with care and tailored to your goals and needs. We're committed to providing fair and transparent transactions, offering you a reasonable price for your property. And if our offer isn't a total fit for you, one way or another, we'll make sure you sell it. When you work with us, you can count on certainty. No last-minute complications or deals falling through, ever.
But hey, don't just take our word for it. Head over to our testimonial page and hear straight from our satisfied clients.
Don't let uncertainty hold you back. Reach out to one of us today for a no obligation call and let's embark on the best and ideal property sale for you. We can't wait to hear from you.